Hi everyone, this is an unboxing and quick review of the DDPAI Mini Dashcam. This dashcam was launched back in 2017. Let's see if it is still good and relevant in 2023 when we have 2K and 4K dashcams. So let's get started. But before that, I'd recommend everyone to get a good and basic dashcam for your car, as it can potentially help you in the event of an unfortunate incident. So as you can see, the box comes with a shrink wrap. Comes with a user guide, the camera itself, the micro USB to USB cable 3.5 meters in length. You have the charger here, a spare mounting tape, a super useful trim removal tool. So these are what you get in the DDPAI Mini bundle. So the build quality of the camera is really good. Comes with a really nice gloss black finish, as you can see. And because it lacks a display, the unit is like really compact. Just to give you a reference, it measures about less than 9 centimeters in length. Okay, so each cell here is 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Slightly more than 3 centimeters in width. So this you see right here, this is the mounting bracket. On this side, you have the hole for resetting the unit and for inserting the micro SD card. If you open this here like this, you can insert the micro SD card right there. They've also given the direction of inserting, so please be careful when you insert the card. You do not want to insert it in the other direction. And this is the status indicator, and this right here is the camera lens. I do not want to peel the sticker now. I'll do it once I install it in the car. So this is the mic, which is located at the bottom. It also comes with a rotating shaft like this, so you can set the view right. That covers the build quality part of it. Now let's quickly go through some of the features of the camera that stand out. The most important aspect is the DDPAI Mini comes with a super capacitor and not a lithium-ion battery like this one. This is from the Xiaomi E camera, and the lithium-ion battery in my camera has conked out, so I've got a replacement locally. Now you should always buy a dash cam which comes with a super capacitor, as it can withstand a wide temperature range during operation. Since your dash cam is directly mounted on the windshield, you will end up parking the car under the hot sun, so it constantly gets heated up. And not to mention, during the working, it also gets heated up too. So the Mini comes with a super capacitor, which DDPAI claims it works from minus 25 degrees centigrade to 85 degrees centigrade, which is like really impressive. The camera comes with a 2 megapixel CMOS based wide angle lens with aperture value of f2.0 and a 140 degree field of vision. DDPAI also claims that the camera has an excellent night vision view, which we'll eventually test out. It also supports a micro SD card of maximum 128 GB capacity, and DDPAI specifically recommends Samsung and Strontium brands for the micro SD cards. We also have a Samsung 128 GB memory card right here. It doesn't have a display, as you can see, and so you're going to have to download the DDPAI app to your phone. Now let's connect the device to the power, insert the memory card, format it, and test it using the app. To insert the memory card, what you need to do is remove this panel from the side. There you go. So once that's done, you can close it. You can see the status LED blinking.
Hello, DDPAI.
Now let's access the app on the phone. First, select the Wi-Fi. DDPAI Mini 1E52. Once it's selected, enter the password as numerals 1 to 0. That will establish the connection between the phone and the dash cam. Once that's done, select the DDPAI app. Provide the required permissions for the app. Select screenless dash cam, and it would guide you through a very quick procedure and establish the Wi-Fi connection once again. Then it will take you to the image preview screen with the horizontal and vertical guidelines for installing the dashcam on the windshield. Remember that we haven't peeled off the blue protective sticker from the camera lens, and that's the reason you see this blue shade on the preview screen. Now let's explore all the options available on the app. First up, resolution. You get 1080p and 720p. Then you can adjust the speaker output volume here. You can enable and disable the startup sound. flip the image left or right. You can adjust the camera sensitivity. Then you can enter the time delay for the standby mode. To format the memory card, go to Storage Management and press Format. That completes all the options we have on the app. To know the firmware version of your dashcam, press About Device. When the dashcam is turned off, it will play an exit sound as well. So essentially what the supercapacitor does is it holds enough charge to shut down the system once it powers off. So now what we'll do is we'll install this in the car. Let me also show you how to install the dashcam in the simplest possible way using this supplied 3.5 meter cable. I'm not going to hardwire it. Now we'll install the camera on the windshield. This camera does not have a LCD display, so what you'll have to do is you'll have to connect this to the power and open the application, connect to the Wi-Fi on the device and check what is the app location on the windshield. Prior to doing that, we have already seen the location here. So before installing, use a microfiber cloth, and if you have some isopropyl alcohol, use that to clean that area of the windshield where you're going to stick this. The camera already comes with double-sided 3M VHP tape. Peel it off. Now stick this here. Now we'll route the power cable. We are going to be using this 3 meter cable that is bundled along with the dash cam. There is another way of doing it, which is hardwiring your dash cam, wherein you use a fuse tab cable to directly connect it to the fuse box of your car. What you need to do is connect the cable to the dash cam and route it to the ceiling headliner here. You don't have to remove anything, just pull it down like this and tuck it all the way till the A-pillar trim here and route it through this gap. You have ample gap to carry a cable. Route it all the way along till the bottom of the dashboard and take it along.
This I want to see. I missed it. You pushed it inside just like that?
Yeah, just tuck it below the ceiling headliner.
Spoil the video. No, that is okay.
Oh, good. They have given the fuse numbers and this thing also. So they can see that it is tucked in.
Now we are not going to be using the supplied charger here because this has only one USB port. Instead we have two with this Qi charger. So we'll connect this here. The cable is routed. Connect it to the smaller amp port. You can see the display which is coming on the screen. If I show my hand right here, you can see it.